In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send SMS with Zapier. This process is incredibly useful for automating your communication, making sure messages get sent exactly when you need them to. Whether you're using this for reminders, notifications, or alerts, leveraging Zapier for sending SMS is a game changer. Let's dive in and walk through the steps together. First, you need to head over to the Zapier website. You can do this by entering the URL in your browser, or perhaps you already have it bookmarked. Once you're on the Zapier homepage, the next move is to log in. Look for the Login button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it, and you'll be presented with a few options to proceed. In this video, we're focusing on using Google to sign in, so you'll want to select Continue with Google. After selecting this option, a list of Google accounts linked to your browser will appear. Simply click on the account you'd like to use. This seamlessly connects your Google credentials with Zapier, making the setup process a lot smoother. Once your account is selected, you'll just need to click Continue to proceed. Having successfully logged in, the next step involves setting up the actual Zap, which is the term Zapier uses for its automated workflows. Head over to the My Zaps section and select the Zap you've been working on, or create a new one if you haven't set one up yet. Now let's get into the specifics of sending an SMS. You'll want to click on Add a Step or Action within your Zap. This is where we specify what we want Zapier to do. In the search field, type in SMS and then select SMS from the drop-down menu. Afterwards, you'll need to choose an event from the subsequent list. Here you should select Send SMS. With that set, we need to connect your SMS by Zapier account. If you haven't linked this yet, you'll need to sign in, and this usually involves a straightforward authentication process. An important thing to note is that right now, this feature supports US or UK numbers only, so be sure to add your number with the correct country code. Once your number is set up, you can continue by clicking the Send PIN button. Zapier will send a PIN to your phone number, which you need to enter in order to verify the setup. Once you've completed that, you can continue to the last step where you'll configure the SMS notifications you want to receive. This is where you'll customize the messages to suit your needs, making sure everything aligns with what you're looking to achieve. Ensure you review the configurations to avoid any mistakes. And there you have it. You've now successfully set up an SMS workflow through Zapier, ready to send messages automatically as per your configuration. This can save you substantial effort, helping to ensure prompt and reliable communication without the manual oversight. If you have any questions or run into any issues along the way, feel free to revisit any step, as this guide is here to support you. Happy automating with Zapier!